Replacement front right door lock actuator. Resolve remote open problem and help to restore the vehicle's door lock to proper operation. If the passenger side door on your vehicle will not lock or unlock, a bad actuator is likely the problem. Order and replace a new power door lock actuator from Yinlowa. Fix annoying door lock problem on your Lexus Toyota models years including 2000, 2001, 2002, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Replace part number 69030-06200, 69030-0CO50, 69030-42230, 931-403, 931403. This power door lock actuator has undergone extensive quality and safety testing to ensure reliable performance. It is engineered to provide a direct replacement for a proper fit and easy installation. Quality materials used meets or exceeds OEM standards, 100% rigorously tested. Fits these vehicles. For Lexus Connecticut 200H, S300H ES350 GSF GS200T GS300 GS350 GS450 HGX460 Hydrogen sulfide H is 250 IS350 LS460 LX570 RX350 RX450 H door lock actuator motor front right passenger side. Toyota 4Runner Camry Corolla IM Highlander Land Cruiser Matrix Prius C Prius vs RAV4 Sequoia Sienna Tundra Venza door lock actuator motor front right passenger side. For Scion IMIQ TC XBXD door lock actuator motor front right passenger side. Please check fitment and part number before ordering. OEM design, direct fit. Located inside the door. The power door lock actuator controls the locks on your vehicle. Each door contains its own actuator. This latch is easy to install and help you fix problems with door lock. Even though this is not a genuine Lexus, Toyota or Dorman original equipment power door lock actuator, but it works even better and lasts longer at a much lower price. Save time and hundreds of dollars by replace front right door latch lock assembly parts yourself. Top reviews from the United States. Wallet and basic mechanic friendly. My door actuator motor went out in October 22. I didn't want to spend $400 plus at the dealership, and I wasn't about to spend $268 at AutoZone or anything of the sorts. I watched some YouTube videos on where to get this and I took a chance. It is quite literally the same thing as big brand names. It was super easy to install and finally fixed an issue with my 4Runner not being fully locked. Happy with my purchase, and should any more actuators go out, I'll be purchasing more.